Act like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, narcissists really do love acting like. You already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. Oh, life is so hard. Like everything they got came out of the mud, had to overcome so many obstacles. So many people betrayed them that their ex was the real problem in those old relationships and marriages. They love acting like none of the shit was ever their fault. Like the reason why they're so mean, insidious, rage-filled, unappreciative is because nobody ever took a chance on them. Nobody ever really believed in them. That old business partner, they were the one who did wrong. Their co-workers, old boss, friends and family they used to be close with, they're the real reasons why they don't trust anybody anymore. Every failure they had, every obstacle was all because somebody else ain't want them to win. And that all sounds about right during the duration of the relationship too, right? Somehow you were always to blame. What you gave, the sacrifices you made, the compromises you had to give with your time, love, finances, somehow never quite measured up to giving the effort, expectations that they had out of you. Interesting what some self-reflection will do, ain't it? After getting out and now making the distinction that this shit never had anything to do with you. Nah, this was all the victim that narcissists think they are in every single situation. The amount of projection of their problem, the amount of blame for their issues, and the amount of labeling you was all an admission to their insufferable and insidious ass spirit being revealed. And it's a shame, ain't it, that we waste so much time trying to figure them out instead of running our ass away as fast as humanly fucking possible. That's just the thing about trauma. The burdens that we carry sometimes never had anything to do with us. But because we're so giving, empathetic, accepting, developed savior complexes, helped our friends, family, and others, we get conditioned into being accepting of fuck shit behavior. That's way beyond the norm of what we're used to. And speaking of getting used to, narcissists get so used to their struggle that making sense of what's a lie, what's manufactured out of thin air, what has 2% truth in it, and what was just a combination of all of that shit is a task we never fucking signed up for. And if you stick your ass around long enough, the narcissist delusions become your reality. And even when you know it's a lie, when you know they're overreacting, you know they're playing the superhero or the victim, we downplay it, we toxically justify it, and we stay, well, because look at all this fucking time we had invested. The asset, the house, financial setup, the isolation from friends and family who have no earthly idea what in the entire fuck we're enduring. And all of this shit was by design because, as always, the narcissist needs to act like their thoughts, feelings, and emotions, their problems, their emergencies, urgent matters, always and forever will be the most important than anything you ever got going on in your damn life. And this shit right here is where we needed to make a stand. It's where you need to walk away. It's where you need to put your health, safety, and nervous system first, as to no longer deal with the made up ass, manufactured, delusional fucking lies and life that you were living with a complete fucking fraud. Who, by the way, actually did have great people in their life at one point. They did have support. They did have love, care, resources. But guess what? They learned that backstabbing, using, abusing, manipulating was far more lucrative to their fragile ass ego than ever taking any fucking accountability for their raggedy ass actions. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video. But in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.